In this video, I'm going to go over how to convert from inches to centimeters, but these techniques can be used for any conversion problem as long as you use the numbers that are appropriate for you. So step one is to get the conversion ratio. And in all these conversion problems, you're going to have 2 units, and you just have to know from either memorizing or looking it up how many of one unit equal how many of the other unit. So in this case, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Step 2 is to write your given number as a fraction. That just means the number that you are given in your problem. In this case, it's 101.2 inches. And so when we're drawing it as a fraction, remember that any number can be written as a fraction with a denominator of 1, and also that we have to include units. And unless those units are clearly drawn on the denominator, it means they're on the numerator, just like the number will be. So our fraction looks like this. And so step 3 is to write the conversion ratio as a fraction and solve. So we pull our number down here. And we know we're going to have our math here, and we use our conversion ratio from step 1 to figure out where to plug in. And we focus all on canceling. So the goal of this problem is to cancel out inches and end up in centimeters. So since inches is on our numerator here, it means we have to put it on the denominator here, which means our left-hand side, 1 inch, goes in the denominator. And that leaves 2.54 centimeters to go in the numerator. Now we can go ahead and cancel our inches, which is what we wanted. We can see we're going to end up in centimeters, also what we wanted. And also now we can see that our math is going to be to multiply 101.2 by 2.54. So when we do this, our final answer is 257.0 centimeters. Hope this video was helpful. I have a conversion video that goes over a ton of practice problems and how to do it with any unit. And as always, happy studying. Hey, I hope you liked that video. Please feel free to subscribe, click around and watch my other tutorials, and as always, happy studying.